Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you download Google offline maps. So at first, just go to your Google Maps app. Now in this app, click the top right your profile icon. Now here you can see the fifth option here, offline maps. Just click on it. Now you can select your own map from the map, or you can just select recommended maps. I'm selecting from the map. You can select the map from here just like this, going forward, downward, left, right. You can zoom in or zoom out. It's like downloading this map. And if you want to download it, just click the bottom right, download. Here you can see it is downloading and 0% is completed. It may take a while to download it. And after it is 100%, the offline maps will be downloaded. So guys, that's how you can download offline maps on Google Maps. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Tip channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.